Hello friends, I am Anita Rathore, working as Assistant Professor in Bianing Group of Colleges. In today's video lecture, we will going to discuss what is promotion and the different promotional mix with the two different types of strategy, pull strategy and push strategy. First of all, what is promotion? Promotion is an activity. Promotion is an activity which inspire our customer to purchase our product. In promotion, what we do is we promote our product to our customers, tell its quality, quantity, price, details, demonstration, everything. We will provide every information to our customers. To our customers of our product and persuade them, motivate them to purchase our product. That is promotion. First of all, that is promotion. Here are some of the different promotional mix. The first is advertisement. What is advertisement? Advertisement is something like the advertisement is non-personal activity which promote a consumer, a customer to purchase our product. In advertisement, we target the mass communication like a TV advertisement, radio advertisement. What we do is we promote the mass communication. We deliver our message to the whole population, and we do not have any personal interaction with our customers. That is advertisement. In advertisement, we promote our product, we tell everything about our product, what is the price of our product, what will be the quantity, how to use it, what are the objectives of our company. We tell every detail of our product to our customers through advertisement and motivates them to purchase our product. So after advertisement, now we will discuss personal selling. Personal selling is something like face-to-face interaction or communication of the seller and the purchaser, the customer. The seller tell about every attributes, quality, price of our product, and customer directly can clear all its objections and all the problems whatever he face according to the product and purchase that product. That is personal selling. Personal selling is a face-to-face interaction between customer and the seller. Next is publicity. Publicity is something like goodwill or the popularity of the product. Many of the companies do some seminars, some events, or invest in something. They help NGOs for what? For the publicity, for the TRP, for the goodwill of our company. So the company become as a TRP, as a lead or as a publicity for the company, for the market, and good customer attract towards its product. That is publicity. The next one is public relation. Public relation is how we deal with our customers. The after sales services, the sales services, or different public relationship by call or by direct information. We maintain a proper relationship with our customers, always recommended their customers need and preferences, and direct our and modified our product according to that. That is personal relationship. How the personal relationship create between the customer and the person. Next is word of mouth. Word of mouth, what the customer think about our product and what he says to its reference persons for our product. For like if इसके लिए मैं एग्जांपल लेना चाहूँगी कि मैं अगर किसी सैलून में या किसी अच्छी सर्विस में गई, मैं किसी सैलून में गई and I take a spa over there and I'm how much satisfied, I'm very much satisfied with the product, with the spa, with the services. And what I do is जब भी मेरी कोई फ्रेंड पूछेगी कि मुझे स्पा कराना है, what I will do, I will suggest him कि तुम उस वाले पार्लर में जाओ and it's very good and the services are very good. That is positive word of mouth. What I am doing, I am saying some good words about that product, that service, that salon to my reference person. That is word of mouth. Next one is sales promotion. Sales promotion is sales strategy, sales techniques which we use to attract our customers. Whatever it can be, some किसान सैशे के साथ में 15% extra, or I can take an example of shampoo, Dove shampoo के साथ में Dove soap is also free. That is sales promotional technique. That is for customers and middlemen. What we do is sales technique use करते हैं, sales promotional techniques ही हम लोग use करते हैं to attract our customers कि अगर आप हमारा product purchase करेंगे तो आपको cashback मिलेगा, अगर आप हमारा product purchase करेंगे तो आपको coupon मिलेगा, and if you scratch on that coupon you can have a foreign trip or you can have a voucher of 1 lakh rupees. That is all techniques of sales promotion. नेक्स्ट इज डायरेक्ट मार्केटिंग. डायरेक्ट मार्केटिंग इज समथिंग लाइक हम हमारे प्रोडक्ट को डायरेक्टली हमारे कस्टमर्स के सामने रिप्रेजेंट करने हैं. जैसे कि कोई आईटी टेक्निक, कोई सॉफ्टवेयर है, तो व्हाट आई एम डूइंग, मैं उस सॉफ्टवेयर की प्रेजेंटेशन डायरेक्ट एक कंपनी में, एक आईटी कंपनी में प्रेजेंट कर रही हूँ और अपने कस्टमर को अट्रैक्ट कर रही हूँ अपने प्रोडक्ट के फीचर्स, क्वालिटी, प्राइस के बारे में बता कर अट्रैक्टिंग हिम टू परचेज माई प्रोडक्ट. दैट इज डायरेक्ट मार्केटिंग. एंड द लास्ट वन इज ऑनलाइन मार्केटिंग, जिसका आजकल ज़माना है, एवरीथिंग इज़ ऑनलाइन एंड एवरीथिंग इज़ अवेलेबल ऑनलाइन. ऑनलाइन मार्केटिंग, मैं मेरे प्रोडक्ट की ऑनलाइन मार्केटिंग कर रही हूँ, ईमेल के थ्रू, मैसेजेस के थ्रू, सोशल मीडिया पे, इंस्टा पे और डिफरेंट ऑनलाइन कोई भी वेबसाइट पे अपने प्रोडक्ट के बारे में प्रमोट करना, प्रोडक्ट के एडवर्टीजमेंट दे रही हूँ, बता रही हूँ कि दिस इज़ माई प्रोडक्ट एंड यू कैन परचेज दिस. दैट इज़ ऑनलाइन मार्केटिंग. ऑनलाइन मार्केटिंग. Now we will discuss the two different strategies of promotional mix. First is push strategy, second is pull strategy. First one, push strategy. Push strategy is something like I am pushing my product towards my customers, toward my customer market and influencing them to purchase my product. इसके एग्जाम्पल हो सकता है कि कोई भी जैसे सॉस है, सॉस के साथ में 30% सॉस एक्स्ट्रा, दैट इज़ अ पुश स्ट्रैटेजी. मैं मेरी एक स्ट्रैटेजी के थ्रू अपने प्रोडक्ट को अट्रैक्ट कर रही हूँ कि आप अगर ये सॉस की बोतल लेंगे तो ये सॉस प्लस 30% सॉस भी आपको फ्री मिलेगा. दैट इज़ आई एम पुशिंग माई प्रोडक्ट टूवर्ड्स माई कस्टमर्स. दैट इज़ पुश स्ट्रैटेजी. एंड पुल स्ट्रैटेजी, पुल स्ट्रैटेजी ऐसी होती है इन विच आई विल अट्रैक्ट माई कस्टमर टूवर्ड्स माई प्रोडक्ट. मेरे प्रोडक्ट की टीआरपी, क्वालिटी इतनी प्रीमियम, इतनी हाई क्लास, मेरे प्रोडक्ट एक ब्रांड बन चुका है, उसकी गुडविल भी बहुत अच्छी है ना, और मैं अपने सिंपल एडवर्टीजमेंट से भी मेरे प्रोडक्ट को अपनी तरफ अट्रैक्ट कर रही हूँ, पुल कर रही हूँ टू परचेज माई प्रोडक्ट. फॉर एग्जाम्पल आई कैन टेक एप्पल और BMW और रोलेक्स watch that is something, a brand, a premium quality product which a person is attracting towards, company is attracting their customers toward them by the help of their brand name, by the goodwill, and satisfying their product, satisfying their customer with the quality of that product. That is pull strategy and push strategy. If you this is what product promotion is. If you like my video, then please like, share and comment on my video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you so much.